Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the realm of financial prosperity. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the wealthy and learn how to wield their most powerful spells of financial success. Prepare yourself for an instructive adventure as we delve into 8 essential money rules that will guide you on the path to wealth accumulation. Let us embark on a magical journey into the realm of the wealth wizard, where I, your humble host, shall reveal the mysterious secrets behind the captivating world of unstoppable wealth. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn. In the pursuit of riches, the first step is to spend less than you earn. For instance, if your monthly income is $5,000, aim to keep your expenses below that amount. By budgeting and tracking your spending, you can identify areas where you can cut back. Consider reducing discretionary expenses like dining out or subscription services. According to a survey by the Federal Reserve, 46% of Americans would struggle to cover a $400 emergency expense. By living below your means and consistently saving, you can build an emergency fund to protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances. Rule number 2. Save and invest consistently. To grow your wealth, it's vital to save and invest consistently. Let's say you set aside 20% of your income every month, which amounts to $1,000 in our previous example. Over time, this disciplined approach can yield substantial results. For instance, if you invest that $1,000 monthly in a diversified portfolio with an average annual return of 7%, after 20 years, your investments will grow to approximately $677,000. That's the magic of compounding returns and consistent investing. Rule number 3. Diversify investments. To protect your wealth from market volatility, diversify your investments. Consider allocating your funds across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like precious metals, peer-to-peer lending, or cryptocurrency. By spreading your investments, you reduce the risk of significant losses if one particular asset class underperforms. A study conducted by Vanguard found that diversification can potentially reduce portfolio volatility by up to 40%. Rule number 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. One of the key principles of wealth accumulation is to distinguish between good and bad debt. Good debt can be used strategically, such as investing in education or purchasing income-generating assets like real estate. On the other hand, bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, can be detrimental to your financial well-being. Consider this example. If you carry a balance of $5,000 on a credit card with an interest rate of 18% and only make the minimum payments, it would take you over 16 years to pay off the debt, with total interest payments exceeding $4,000. Avoiding unnecessary high-interest debt allows you to retain more of your hard-earned wealth. Rule number 5. Seek continuous education. The pursuit of wealth requires ongoing education and staying informed about financial trends and opportunities. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs, and attend seminars or workshops. For instance, learning about investment strategies, understanding tax implications, or staying updated on market trends can empower you to make informed decisions. A study conducted by the University of Oxford found that individuals who actively seek financial education have a higher propensity for wealth accumulation compared to those who do not invest in their financial knowledge. Rule number 6. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often involves taking calculated risks. Consider this example. You have the opportunity to invest in a promising startup. While there is inherent risk, conducting thorough research and assessing the potential returns can help you make an informed decision. The key is to strike a balance between risk and reward. According to a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research, Individuals who take calculated investment risks tend to experience higher returns on their investments compared to those who avoid risk altogether. Rule number 7. Focus on long-term goals. Wealth accumulation is a journey that requires patience and a long-term perspective. Consider this practical example. Instead of chasing quick gains by constantly buying and selling stocks, focus on a buy and hold strategy for quality investments. For instance, investing in a well-diversified index fund or blue-chip stocks and holding them for a decade or longer can yield significant returns. The S&P 500, a widely followed stock market index, has historically delivered an average annual return of around 10% over the long term. Rule number 8. Surround yourself with the right people. The power of your network cannot be underestimated. Seek out mentors, financial advisors, or join communities where you can learn from like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with the right people can provide valuable insights, support, and opportunities for collaboration. According to a study published in the Journal of Applied Social Psychology, individuals who have a strong social support network tend to exhibit more positive financial behaviors and achieve greater financial success. Learning to master these 8 essential money rules will empower you to transform your financial reality. Spend less than you earn. Save and invest consistently. Diversify your investments. Avoid unnecessary debt. Continuously educate yourself. Take calculated risks. Focus on long-term goals. And surround yourself with the right people. By incorporating these principles into your financial journey, you will unlock the magic of wealth accumulation and embark on a prosperous future. I extend my sincerest gratitude for joining me on this enchanting quest. If the magical insights we have unveiled have sparked joy and illumination within your heart, I beseech you to lend your magical support by liking this mystical video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your thoughts through the comments below. You shall fortify the bond between us, ensuring that we may continue to weave spells of financial wisdom in the days to come. Farewell, dear comrade, until our destinies align once more on our next wealth-seeking conquest.